I hate pigeons. Anyway, that was my September. I expect many of you would want to know what books I've read. Also, if you want to see those walks in full, they'll be released on my walking channel, which is this called his Walking Club, and I put all my walks I've done on there in a longer form. Last month I read 2 books. The first book was The Murder of Roger Ackroyd, and I found out about this book because I went to Cambridge. I went into this bookshop, Bodies in the Bookshop, and the owner was talking to a tourist, and the tourist asked him what is his favourite ever crime novel, and he said it was this Agatha Christie one. I enjoyed it immensely. It's probably the quintessential crime novel, and you understand that if you've read it, I suppose, but highly recommended. And the other book I read was another smasher, Demon Copperhead by Barbara Kingsolver, which is a bit like Catcher on the Rye meets OxyContin. This book is an absolute smasher, and no wonder it won the prize for best book of 2023 or whatever. Highly recommended as well. That is it. I hope you're having a good October or whatever month you're in. Only one thing left to say: stay cool.